Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Maytag Gemini double oven. This innovative appliance features two distinct ovens, allowing you to cook multiple dishes at varying temperatures simultaneously. The upper oven, with its 2.5 cubic feet capacity, is perfect for quick meals or side dishes. Meanwhile, the spacious lower oven, offering 4.3 cubic feet, easily accommodates larger roasts or multiple casseroles, making meal preparation incredibly flexible and efficient for any occasion. Operating the upper oven is straightforward. Simply press the bake pad, then use the numeric keypad to set your desired temperature. This oven preheats efficiently, often reaching 350 degrees Fahrenheit in approximately 8 minutes. It's perfectly sized for everyday cooking, whether you're baking a batch of cookies, heating a frozen pizza, or preparing a small casserole. You can also use the broil function for quick browning or toasting items. For larger culinary tasks, the lower oven is your go-to. To activate it, press the bake pad designated for the lower oven, then input your desired temperature. This spacious oven is designed to handle substantial dishes, such as a large turkey, multiple baking sheets of vegetables, or an entire holiday feast. It also includes a convection option, which circulates hot air for more even cooking and faster roasting, ensuring your meals are perfectly prepared every time. Beyond basic operation, the Maytag Gemini offers convenient advanced features. The delay start option allows you to program cooking to begin at a later time, perfect for busy schedules. For maintenance, the self-clean cycle makes keeping your oven spotless effortless. Remember to always allow the oven to cool completely before attempting any cleaning. For detailed troubleshooting and safety guidelines, always consult your specific user manual to ensure proper and safe operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.